Hello student, good afternoon. Welcome back to our class. Today you are going to answer your book. Please get ready with your book. Let's get your book color purple. Okay, that is Smile book. Let's answer this book today. So ready your pencils there. Are you ready now? Let's start. Okay, let's open it in page 50. So in page 50, you are going to follow the lines and then write the words. Right. You're going to write the words in number one. Number one, you are going to follow the lines. Okay. You follow the lines and then write the words. Right. Write the words. Jim is wearing a dress. That is in your book. Example number one. Now, number two, you follow the lines. You're going to follow the lines. Next is Bobby's wearing a shirt and trousers. So that is number two. Number three, who is number three? Number three is Tina. Okay. Tina is wearing a sweater and socks. Next, number four. Who is number four? Is Sam. Sam's wearing a hat. Okay. Number five. Who is number five? Number five is Jimmy. Jimmy is okay. Jimmy's wearing shoes. All right. So that is in page 450. Next page you are going to answer. Please be ready. Page 51. Okay. Draw and write. You're going to draw and write. So this is sunny. It's sunny. I'm wearing hat, dress, and shoes. This is snowing. It's snowing. I'm wearing sweater, trousers, and hat. So you are going to draw. Right? You're going to draw a hat, dress, and shoes. Next, you are going to draw a sweater, trousers, and hat. This is a winter hat. So this is your sit work for today. I hope you're going to answer. Thank you and have a wonderful day to all. See you next time. Always keep safe. Thank you.